I'm so excited! Today we are kicking off Neutral Week on my channel. This is something that I never thought I was gonna film, but I mean, here we are. Apparently, you know, in Sweden we say that when hell freezes over. Oh yeah, you say that in English as well. When hell freezes over, that's when I thought we'd be doing a Neutral Week, but here we are doing a Neutral Week, and I'm gonna kick it off with a collab. It's gonna be with one of my favorite YouTubers, which is Kelly Gooch, and I'm so excited to be doing this collab with her. We've been talking for so long about doing a collab, and you know, life gets in the way and like everything gets in the way, but now here we are doing this collab, and we've been talking about a bunch of different ideas, but finally we just realized that we both want to get out of our comfort zones a bit. So she has challenged me to do an all brown eye look. You probably already saw this on the thumbnail, but yeah, if you haven't, well, you're in for a treat. I don't even know really what I'm going to be doing, but I'm just going to be working with browns today. You know, I have a series on my channel that's called Let's Go All In with Color, and today we're choosing brown, which is a color I did not think we were going to choose. I did have a poll in this last video in this series, and so far I think blue is winning, so we are still doing blue. I'm sorry that it's been taking so long. I've just been preoccupied with other things. So we are still doing blue, or whatever color is gonna win when I'm filming that. This brown one is just coming in between because of Neutral Week and stuff. So this whole week is going to be filled with neutral themed videos. I'm going to have 5 videos up during this week. You can check the schedule on my community tab. I always put the week schedule there. Don't forget to check out Kelly's channel. I will put a picture here of when I met Kelly in New York together with Makeup Struggles. She is such a sweetheart. She is so petite. Like she's so petite. She's like, oh, so cute and adorable, and she is smart and funny, and you need to check her out. And I love her videos, and I'm sure you will too. And she's been experimenting a lot with color lately, and I gave her a challenge that will make her put even more color on. So don't forget to go and check out her video on her channel. I will leave all the info down below, but let's just get into it. Oh my gosh, I've been talking for 3 minutes. I'm so sorry. I'm just so excited about doing Neutral Week. I'm so excited about collabing with Kelly. I'm excited about everything. And when I started thinking about like doing an all brown look, I felt like we need to go back to the roots. So this is my neutral palette by Makeup Geek. So we are gonna play with Makeup Geek shadows today. You know those shadows that everybody loved and raved about like 2-ish years ago, and I bought a bunch of them out of recommendations from different YouTubers, and they are great shadows, but I don't use browns that much. So we are gonna use Creme Brulee, which is this one. You know what, if I had a, like, if I was a superhero and they said, what would be your superhero power? I'd say I can name eyeshadows just based on like seeing them. I know the colors of pretty much all of these, and I don't even have to lift them and look because I'm really good at remembering these. So we're gonna work with Creme Brulee and Frappe and Cocoa Bear. It's like the triangle down here, the neutral triangle. I'm also gonna work a bit with Americano, I think, because it's like a deep brown, and it's like a neutral deep brown. May even go into Corrupt a bit, we'll see. And probably Shimma. You know, everybody used Shimma before. I'm gonna use that one as well. It's like a light beige highlight. And then I'm gonna use something that I haven't used on my eyes. And when I got this palette, the only shade that I haven't used on my eyes is this beautiful like darkened brown metallic. I haven't used it. I don't think I've used like any browns from the like Juvia's palette, like the shimmers, because I never use a shimmery brown. But today I have swatched it. It's beautiful. I'm gonna use that on my lid today. So let's just zoom in a bit like that, and maybe I can get my mirror. I only see a bit of it. That's fine. I can live with that. Like this. And let's just go in. I'm gonna start with brushes. That's what I'm gonna start with. I think I'm gonna start with Creme Brulee, and we're just gonna go in and smoke this one out. I miss like Makeup Geek though. It's so much fun. Okay, so that is Creme Brulee, and now I'm gonna go in with Frappe, which is just a tad darker. Okay, now it's time for a cult classic, and this is Cocoa Bear. This is the brown that everyone was like crazy about. It's like a warm chocolatey, like a milk chocolatey brown, and people were going crazy over this color. What do we think of this? Is it like, is it brown enough? But I mean, it is like just brown. It's like Instagram baddie incoming. I just feel it. I feel it. Okay, I'm taking a bit of that dark Americano and I'm just gonna deepen out the outer V a bit before I go in with the shimmery one. It feels a bit weird though. I'm just like, okay, and that's it. No color, just browns. So weird. So I think I am now gonna put this shimmer on my lid, the one that I had in mind from the Saharan 2 palette. So I'm gonna take this on a flat brush and I'm gonna spray it a bit. Okay, and getting my spray. I'm still using the Freedom Pro Studio Fixing Spray because it's a cheap spray and it works for this. So why wouldn't I get something that's affordable if I'm just gonna use it to spray my brush. So now I'm gonna put this on my lid. This is cool. But it's still brown though. I'm like that little poop emoji. That's what I am right now. So brown. The thing is that I think that everybody else looks so nice in it, but I just don't feel like myself. I think that's it. So I am gonna take a bit of... I'm gonna take a bit of Frappe and just smudge that on my lower lash line, and then I'm gonna take a bit of Cocoa Bear as well, just to define it. I'm gonna take a little bit of Americano as well, just to darken this up. And now I'm gonna take a bit more of that shimmer, the one that I have on the lid. I'm just taking it on a pencil brush and I'm spraying it. And I'm gonna put it like here. Like here. Worst explainer ever, but just so it's like a bit under my eyes as well. And then I guess, and in my eyes apparently. And then I guess I'm putting some Shimma in the inner corners. So this is the Shimma. That is actually very shimmery and nice. I am very, very neutral right now. I'm gonna put some white in my waterline because I don't want to do black. I want to be... I don't know what I want to be. I have no idea. I'm lost. This is a lost person. Help me. Okay, I'm gonna do a bit of liner and some mascara and I'll be back and we can do the brown lips as well. Matchy matchy! Ta-da! I am almost done. I'm looking in the viewfinder and... who's this person? But yeah, I'm gonna do the lips. I am actually gonna use a lipstick that I bought and I had an ambition to use it and then I never did. This is a Lady of the Manor by H&M Beauty. This is a cream lipstick and it is like very chocolatey brown and I never used it and now it's the time. Now is the time. I'm just gonna use... this is a lip liner by NYX in Toast. It's not the same color but it's brown and it's gonna have to do. At this point you take what you can get. Okay, here goes nothing. That's not bad. Oh my god, I love this color. I feel like I have easier to get along with like a brown lip though. Even though I like nudes, I could definitely get down with a brown lip, and this one is stunning. Okay, I'm liking this look better now. I cannot stop looking at this lip in the mirror. It's so beautiful. I love it. Okay, I love this one. Lady of the Manor, we can be friends. I'm gonna put, did I get lipstick on my teeth again? No, I don't think so. I'm gonna put some lashes on. I need to be Instagram baddie with some lashes, and I'll be back and we can look at the finished project. Okay, so there we go. That is the finished look. I used the Huda Beauty Lana. Let's just see if we can zoom in a bit so you can see what this looks like. I think I did good. What do you think? What do you think? I feel like simply Nailogical. That's her channel, right? Christine, love her channel. I think she's a comedian to the point where I want to be like a comedian as well. Like she is like more a comedian than a beauty guru, and I love that. Like I'm all about that life. But yeah, that is the finished look. Thank you so much, Kelly, for pushing me out of my comfort zone, forcing me to use some neutrals, and I do feel like an Instagram baddie. What do you think? I have the OFRA glow goals, the OFRA and Nikkie Tutorials glow goals on my cheekbone. Like the ultimate Instagram baddie like highlighter. I feel very good. This lippy does everything. The eye look, like it's brown, like it's brown. I wish it was blue. But the lippy I'm gonna use more. I really like this. I can't stop looking at myself. The lippy is amazing. But yeah, that was everything. That was everything for this. Don't forget to check out Kelly. I will leave her channel and her video down below. I am so excited to see her look because I know what I challenged her to do, and I thought that this was hard. But I think that she will think that her challenge is a bit hard as well. So I cannot wait to see it. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for being subscribed to my channel and for watching my videos. I am in Greece when you're watching this, if you're watching it the day that it goes up. And we will have neutral week here on my channel, like I said before. And I will be back in Sweden this weekend. So this is all pre-filmed, but I'll try and check in and look at comments, but if I don't look at comments and if I haven't answered your question, it's because I am on vacations, and I hope you understand. But I will see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow. I'm gonna do something neutral themed then as well, but until then, bye!